There was once a young man who dreamt of conquering the tallest mountain in his country. He had heard stories of the breathtaking view from the summit, and he believed that reaching the top would prove his strength and determination to the world. He set out on his journey, filled with excitement and confidence. As he climbed higher, the path grew steeper, and the air became thinner. The weather turned harsh, with snowstorms and strong winds challenging him at every step. His legs began to ache, and his energy started to dwindle. Doubt crept into his mind, and he thought, maybe this mountain is too much for me. But then he remembered why he started. He remembered the view from the top and the sense of accomplishment that would come with completing the journey. He pushed on, step by step, through the cold and fatigue. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, he reached the summit. The view was even more beautiful than he had imagined. As he stood there, breathing in the fresh, crisp air, he realized that the mountain was not just a physical challenge. It was a test of his perseverance, his willpower, and his belief in himself. The journey had been tough, but it had taught him something invaluable. In life, the climb might be difficult, but the reward at the end is worth every ounce of effort. Moral: no matter how hard the path may seem, keep going. The struggles along the way are what make the destination truly worth it.